Hello again. Spring is very much on hold this weekend as we see another shot of very cold air coming sweeping in from the east, and scenes similar to this certainly not out of the question across parts of the UK over the next couple of days. Amber warnings issued by the Met Office for some heavy and likely disruptive snow in places in eastern areas through to the course of Saturday, and then on Sunday our attention switches to the southwest where once again we could see some heavy disruptive snow. Now out there this afternoon we've got some very windy weather initially across parts of West Wales. Wind should ease here, and actually for many western areas, cold temperatures aside, it's not a bad afternoon. Some sunshine coming through, the best of which across parts of western Scotland and the north of Northern Ireland. But for many of us it's a story of increasingly frequent snow showers, mainly across eastern counties as well as the southeast as well. Now some of these will be quite heavy, and in a few places they would have started to line up to give some more prolonged periods of snow, obviously some tricky travelling conditions to boot. Now after that relatively mild start across parts of the southwest, temperatures this afternoon are on the plummet across most places, and across some eastern counties barely above freezing. And factoring the strength of the wind, well, these temperatures speak for themselves really. -6, -8 is what it will feel like, exceptionally cold for mid-March. Now on to this evening, and if anything the snow is going to intensify across parts of the East Midlands as well as into the southeast as well. So amber warnings in force here, and then later in the night we're watching this more coherent area of rain and snow working its way eastwards across some southern counties into southwest England come the early hours of Sunday morning. This could be very disruptive too. Now it's going to be a cold night everywhere with a widespread frost and quite a severe penetrating frost given the strength of the breeze. Best of the clear spells once again towards the northwest corner. So, potential for disruptive snow first thing on Sunday morning. Initially in the east, but here conditions should ease. But further to the southwest, a very awkward mixture of heavy snow over the inland and over the hills, and potentially heavy rain close to the coast of southwest England. Both could lead to some disruptive weather, so stay tuned to the forecast here. Things slowly easing through the afternoon, but many places staying cold, exceptionally cold once again for mid-March, with temperatures barely above freezing, and once again feeling much colder in the strength of the wind. But conditions on Sunday relative to Saturday should ease a little bit across some northern and eastern coasts. How long will it last? Well, the weather will improve slowly in the southwest through Sunday evening, and then many places settling into a drier night, less in the way of snow showers. Still the odd one possible in places, but plenty of dry, clear weather. But with all the moisture on the ground and clear skies and still that very cold air mass in place, widespread ice could be an issue first thing Monday morning. So a wintry start to next week, but things slowly improving. Yes, very cold at first, certainly an ice risk at first, but high pressure in charge means mostly dry conditions for many of us, and then later in the week it turns milder but with some rain. All the details and of course the warnings on the Met Office website. Take care.